Hey teachers, I'm going to show you how you can use GradeTransferer to grab from the overall grade column in Google Classroom so that you can take that student information and effortlessly transfer it over to your district's gradebook. Okay, so if this is a view that you have enabled in Classroom and you want to grab it, there's just one thing you want to make sure that you have turned on in GradeTransferer. So to navigate to that setting, open up the extension, click on the hamburger button, and go to Advanced Settings. In Advanced Settings, navigate to the Custom Overrides tab and scroll down, open up platform-specific settings, and find Google Classroom Grab Overall Grade column. You're going to want this turned on, and you'll want to save this setting on. With this setting turned on, grabbing from this column is very easy. All you do is go to GradeTransfer and click the green Grab Data button. You will get a pop-up summary telling you that the data source you grabbed from is that overall column, and you'll see your student names and scores that were retrieved. You can take this information and fill it into your next gradebook. Now, it's just important to note that if you want to grab from one of your assignments, you do want to actually click into a cell of that column, and that is how you grab those particular assignments with different numeric scores. But again, if you want to grab from the overall column and you have that enabled in custom overrides, just click out. You can also refresh your page if you need to. That helps you get out of that column. That way, you will not be clicked into any cells, and when you go to grab your data, this column will grab by default because you have that setting turned on. Okay, that's all for now. Happy transferring.